Hello everyone, in this video we will see the best car insurance companies of 2022. Not all insurance companies are created equal. We surveyed more than 10,000 drivers to learn more about their car insurance experience, focusing on key areas like customer service, claim handling, and customer loyalty. Using that data, we rated the best car insurance companies of 2022 to help you find the best one. What is the best car insurance company? According to our data, the best car insurance company is USAA, but its insurance products are only available to members of military community. If that doesn't apply to you, the next best option is State Farm, which holds the number 2 spot in our analysis. To determine the best car insurance companies, we analyzed rates data as well as feedback from policyholder holders which specific attention to customer service, claim handling, customer loyalty, and policy renewal. We also asked survey participants how likely they were to recommend their existing insurer to driver shopping for a new policy. If you are looking for auto insurance, this list can help you compare insurance based on the factors that matter most to you. Though USAA and State Farm lead to pack, you may find a better fit with one of the other 8 companies in our rating. As such, it's good idea to compare several insurers and their rates before you purchase or renew your policy. Top rated car insurance companies. At number 1 is USAA. Rating of this company is 4.3. Average annual rate is $1,000. Number 2 is State Farm, whose rating is 4.2, and their average annual rate is $1,267. And number 3 is Farmers with 4.1 rating, and with average annual rate $1,917. And number 3 again, it's Nationwide with 4.1 ratings and with annual average rate $1,327. And again at number 3, these three are equal with ratings. Geico with 4.1 rating and annual average rate is $1,148. And number 6 is Allstate with 4.0 rating and average annual rate is $2,047. And number 7 is Travelers, whose rating is 4 and with average annual rate $1,371. At number 8 is Progressive with 3.9 rating and with average annual rate $1,533. At number 9 it's AAA with 3.9 ratings and with average annual rate $2,409. At number 10 it's American Family with 3.7 ratings and with average annual rate $1,371. Let's study some about USAA. USAA is the best insurance company in our ratings according to our survey 2022 survey. USAA customers report the highest level of customer satisfaction and are most likely to renew their policies and recommend USAA to other drivers. USAA also has the lowest rates in our study, beating the national average by 35%. USAA insurance products including auto, homeowners and renters policies are only available to members of military community. As such, not all drivers will be eligible for cover through this insurer. Now we will study some about State Farm. State Farm is number 2 in our rating and has above average scores in each of our sub ratings including claim handling and customer loyalty. It also did well in our cheapest car insurance companies of 2022 rating. The average premium for driver with less than pristine driving records were the lowest in our rating for those unable to get a policy from the USAA. Uh, at number 3, it's farmers ties for number 1 in our ratings for claim handling and for number 2 in customer service. It also ties for number 2 in the customer loyalty, where farmers didn't perform as well was in most likely to renewed, where its score of 4 rating is below the category of average 4.2. Now study we will go some about Nationwide. Nationwide moved up two spots since up two spots since our 2021 analysis, trying for the number 3 spot. Nationwide has second highest scores in our customer loyalty and most likely to recommended subratings and above average scores in each of the other subrating categories. Nationwide also has below average rates for some drivers, especially those with a good driving record or poor credit. Geico in number 3 spot of this year's rating is Geico with average scores across the board in categories like customer service, claim handling, and customer loyalty. Where it stands out is in its premiums, which earn it the number 2 spot in our rating of cheapest car insurance companies of 2022. Its rates are just behind top rated USAA 14 and senior drivers as well as those with poor credit. Allstate climbed 3 spots this year, moving from 9 to 6. It has slightly below average score for most of our subratings, but that didn't stop it from taking the number 4 spot in our most likely to recommended subrating category. Compared to other insurers in our analysis, Allstate's rates are some of highest, but some drivers, like those with the speeding violation, may find Allstate rates to somewhat competitive. Travelers also had some upward movement this year, moving up to 2 spots and trying for number 6 position. Travelers' customer service score is lower than 7 other insurers in our analysis, but it takes number 1 spot in our claim handling subrating category and number 3 for spot most likely to be renewed category. Travelers also receives an above average score for policy renewal and offers premium data typically lower than national average. Progressive takes the number 8 spot in our analysis. Overall, customers are generally satisfied with the ease of opening and policy, but Progressive placed last in our best for customer loyalty category and has below average scores in every other subratings in our survey. Progressive customers also report being less likely to renew their policy or recommend in the insurer to other drivers. However, person with DUI may be able to unlock savings with Progressive. It rates those drivers who's among the lowest in our study. AAA is new to our best car insurance companies ratings and it ties with Progressive for number 8 spot. Its scores are below average in each category we analyzed. It does, however, take the number 6 spot in our most likely to be renewed subrating, beating all state farmers, Progressive, and American Family. AAA also has the highest average premium in our study, but drivers considering AAA should get a code to determine if their individual rate is more competitive. American Family dropped 4 spots this year and ranked number 10 in our analysis. Its scores are lowest in the most subrating categories, though American Family has a slightly higher score than Progressive in our best for customer loyalty category. Despite low scores, American Family does offer competitive rates for some drivers, especially teen drivers, drivers with poor credit, and drivers with an accident or DUI on their record. According to our survey according to data and customer survey results, USS is the best overall car insurance company. However, USSA insurance products are only available to active and veteran military members and their families. State Farm number ranked 2 in our survey, making it the best car insurance company for drivers who aren't eligible for USSA membership. Even though USSA and State Farm top rating, it's a good idea to consider and compare multiple insurers that made up made our best car insurance companies of 2022 ratings. Doing so can help you find coverage that suits your needs. USAA also swept all 5 of our sub-rating based on customer feedback. However, not all the polycyclo holders will meet USSA membership requirements. For that reason, we have identified the runner-up in each category so that all the customers can learn about the best option in each these areas. If rates play a primary role in our decision, it's also important to get compare car insurance quotes. Those our study includes average rates data. Your personal car insurance rate will depend on your age, location, driving record, credit score, and the preferred type and amount of coverage among other things. A quote can help you accurately estimate costs and determine which insurers offer the best deal. USA and State Farm number 1 and number 2 respectively. 65% USSA customers who haven't filed a claim say that they are extremely satisfied with their customer service experience. That number dips only slightly among those who have filed a claim, with nearly 64% of USSA customers reported that they are extremely satisfied with insurer customer service. If you are not eligible for USA coverage, you may want to consider State Farm. Nearly 60% of State Farm customers who haven't filed a claim report being extremely satisfied with their customer and service experience. Like USSA, State Farm's customer satisfaction scores are slightly lower among customers who have filed a claim. 56% of survey respondents report being completely satisfied with the customer service experience. Farmers Nationwide and Geico also received above average scores for customer service.